So we talked about it before the podcast. We actually talked about my previous podcast with Alex Hall about the qualified person role. And you watched it and you said that you found so many similarities between being a qualified person and being a GXP auditor.
Yeah, exactly. Probably a lot of things were actually ringing a bell with me. But she said, you got to stay curious all the time as a QP. You got to be open. You got to be flexible. That's all of the usual traits that you have to have as an auditor also. Yeah. You got to know your stuff. You got to, sometimes you just act as a consultant. That's actually what is also considered to be your job. People approach you with questions. Sometimes you don't have the answer, people have the answers themselves, and you just guide them through the audit, for example. And there's a lot of similarities actually. Of course, auditors are not accountable at the end of the day. That's probably the biggest difference. Which is good. Yeah, we're just showing people where is non-compliance, for example, or where's flaws, or where's room for improvement.
Well, I guess that many QPs also do a lot of auditing to understand really what's going on in the pharma. But also as a GXP auditor, what comes a lot is knowing probably a lot of different standards other than GMP.
Right.
Because as an auditor, you go to audit a lot of suppliers that are not GMP.